Hello, everybody. TCN is a company which produce and manufacture dyes to color polymer parts. So here you have an example of coloration of PR12 white from HP, and we can reach with our dyes a lot of different color. It's an infinity of color, from black to yellow, pink, vivid color, and it's bring color to all of your additive manufacturing parts. And we are doing this since like 60 years old. So we are very old company with a good expertise in color. Of course, color is not a pen. It will not cover the surface. So the surfaces of the material is really important to achieve a good dyeing. It's why today at Formnext we exhibit with 3 different companies. TCN, my company, but also Norblast. Norblast is an Italian company specialist in the sandblasting, because without sandblasting, you cannot achieve this perfect color. So here is an example of sandblasting equipment by Norblast, fully automatic, but also manual. So you have a lot of different parameters, automatic program, and you can adapt your sandblasting operation according to your result you want to achieve. Dyeing could be also complicated to be repeatable. It's why this year we are presenting with Teknox a dyeing equipment, fully automatic. I will show you. So the fully automatic equipment by Teknox will change everything in your workshop, because you just have to introduce your full build of MGF parts into the basket. You just have to close the equipment and everything is automatic in more or less 1 hour. It will rinse the part, dye automatically the part with the TCN dyes, again rinse the part, and it's a big new in TCN booth, the drying. The drying operation is also fully automatic. It means in less than 1 hour, you have your part ready to be shipped to your customers.